There's ET. We're in Bangkok subway going to JJ Market. Here's the team.
We're about to take a subway.
We're about to take a sip. Dr. Livingston, wave, JJ, wave to the camera. It's recording.
This is fun.
We're in downtown subway to JJ Market to get good deals to bring back home to the States for the fam. And we're blessed that ET decided to take us, show us the ins and outs of the city. Because Farangs, aka foreigners, aka Americans, don't know what we're doing. And Dr. Livingston just got red flagged. She has something in her purse.
Probably gonna happen.
Jay just got red flagged. Therese just got red flagged. And I'm probably gonna get red flagged. Watch this. Oh, I didn't get a red flag. It's.
Where are the other one?
Jay's getting his belongings confiscated. Just kidding. No, he's not. It's all fun and games. Trees, Dr. Livingston, E.T. Say something in Thai. Say we're gonna have a good time today. Thank you. Okay. Stay tuned for more.